some baked beets. Yes, these beets are delicious. You can make them crunchy or you can make them a little more soft, but mine I like them a little bit soft. Adding some wine in here just make this so different. I have sticky balsamic, ricevinegar, red wine. And then for baking, it depends how soft you want it. You can bake it longer for soft or just bake it for a short time. That way it's nice and crunchy. So that's all I added, those three ingredients plus black pepper. So let's keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Press that notification button so that when I post, you do not miss out. Thank you.